Hey y'all, let's make a wreath on a gold ring. You'll need a 12-inch gold ring, some golden floral wire, wire cutters, and a variety of berry stems. I purchased all my supplies at Hobby Lobby and the links are in the description of this video. I got 4 stems, each of the larger muted blackberries and the dark red berries, and then 2 stems each of the golden ones. You'll want to cut small pieces of wire about 2 to 3 inches long. Make sure to cut at least 2 pieces of wire per berry stem. Bend the stem slightly to help it form around the wreath. Twist your wire around the top and bottom of the stem several times to secure it in place. Snip off any excess wire with your wire cutters and repeat this process all the way around the gold ring. If you like this DIY idea and want to see more ideas, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. My platform is continuously growing right now, and your support is extremely appreciated by me. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye!